domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. Domo.
Of the Borg race, and we should assimilate humans because they can provide us with many different things so that we can improve and become a better race. The Borg race needs to be superior to all other races that are in the universe. In order to do that, we need to assimilate the human race. The human race consists of around 7 billion people, and the race has made much advancement that can truly help the Borg. One thing is that the humans have a knack for killing each other, and although that may seem fun for us, they have devised many militaristic strategies that can help the Borg win when it comes to fighting a war. Some of their military strategies can help us because we don't need to travel the universe as one ship, but as a fleet, and we will become unstoppable. That is something that I learned from a militaristic strategy named Blitzkrieg, which indicates we will be most effective to use that. Also, another advancement that the human race has is the advancement in nanotechnology, which can help us become a better race by improving our assimilation process. The advancement in that type of technology can make assimilation painless and can make assimilating the whole race simple and easy. We can also use the nanotechnology to brand the new Borgs to recognize where each Borg came from. Not only will nanotechnology improve assimilation, but we can make Borgs individually powered. The individual power can come from the advancement in nanotechnology and solar power. With regards to that solar power, will create the ability for the Borgs to come another way with any problems in regards to regeneration. The solar energy will be able to get energy from any big star in the whole universe. Another advancement is in the human race is prosthesis, where they create prosthetic legs and arms that are similar to our Borg army. The humans though have created a way to make these legs and arms a lot lighter, which can help us by creating a quicker and faster army, where we can have a militaristic advantage on other organisms in the universe. Having the humans assimilated will create a way to heal our army if they are ever damaged in battle. The final advancement that will help the Borg is the music that humans created. This can help us conform to animals that can become assimilated and prove our army. We can assimilate these animals into our race. The music can help us communicate to each animal and also communicate to other species in the universe. The human race should be assimilated because of the different advancements that they have created. Resistance is futile for the human race, and this is the perfect time to take over them. Resistance is futile. The Borg is superior. Resistance is futile.